to the 150 area, which also corresponds to another support. So remember, every time a stock push, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Now we're gonna be dealing with stocks, and these stocks are gonna be in the mix of potential reverse split stocks, stocks that have actually reverse split, and as well as some low float stocks as well in the mist. I'm gonna also introduce you to reverse split list of stocks that have done their reverse split for the past couple of weeks or months. So laying them down, and this is the small price low float stocks. Let's get into it. Also guys, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock whatsoever. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, this is my stock tweet. I also have my Twitter account where you can look and find stocks to trade, where you can get ideas on what stocks to look for, long-term stocks, you know, crazy low float stocks as well. Now, the first stock I'll be dealing with today is just not, let's say it's SOBR. Let me not go to details about that, but SOBR, this one right now, we're looking for support right around $3.08. That is going to be our support, because right now we're rejecting that $4 area, 425 spot. If this 20 exponential moving average holds, I'll be expecting more to the upside as per this trend right here. So keep an eye out on SOBR. Also, we can talk about the market for just a brief moment, because the Feds are coming in to act in the market in terms of rate hikes or not, but I'm expecting a rate hike to come in as Fed's FOMC. Right now 390 is that spot. If we momentarily push into this coming week, we'll be looking for $400, but overall support now is 380. If we fail this handle, guys, we'll push back down to 370, 375. So keep an eye out on the market as well. AGFI just did a split, and all the way, look how price really sold off into 250. Couldn't hold that area, and then we gave back some. Right now we're consolidating around this 150 175 area zone. So see if price can push up, though. See the volume is so huge, 17 million shares traded in terms of volume, with RSI around 39%. So I'll be looking for some momentum push in the coming weeks to come. But overall, you know, I know stocks like this, I always have a huge stop loss in terms of $1 in that. So but 150 is a decent stop loss on this name. ADTX, we're looking at $2.50 as support, with 268 around. If that area holds, then we'll look for back into this downtrend, see if we can break $3.33. So keep an eye out on that. GROTX as well. Right now we're really looking solid support right now, $1.60. So this is gonna act as a support for now, in anticipation of a revisit of that 200 moving average. The last time this stock really did bounce, guess what? We bounced into the 200 moving average, shake out some longs, and then we sold right off into support, right? So right now we created this trend to watch, which also coincide with our 200 SMA, which is our simple moving average. So I'll be looking for price. If this area holds our support, I'll be expecting another bounce into that 200 moving average until the stock really breaks out or news comes out. Okay, AREB, this one right now we're looking at 26 cents. Okay, this is our trend support with 31 or 30 cents as our 20 exponential moving average, but I'm expecting a reverse split to come in on this name. Another name to keep an eye out on for a split is COSM as well. I'm looking for a reverse split on this name. Volume is about 12 million on it, RSI 31%, so I'll be looking for some more action on that. Also, I talked about the list for reverse split. These are the list for the reverse split, and all these, they've all done their split already. Some of them are optionable and some of them are not, so I'll be looking for some action there. I also have names like FWBI. Let's take a look at FWBI as well. FWBI right now is holding the $1 zone, so $1.13 close with our resistance right around $1.38. So keep an eye out on this name as well. AVCT right now $1.25 is gonna act as our support with this downtrend in shape, and we're looking for 150 breaks. I think momentum comes in and we could see $2 easily on that name. CROKN also another name for potential of reverse split. SHPH, we're looking for coiling. We need to coil out of this zone, coil out of this area. $3, keep an eye out on that $3 for the potential push out of the zone. PEGY, guys, this is Pineapple Energy, good name, right? Right now we're looking at $4, so $4 breaks, then I think we can continue to push higher, because what, our 200 moving average is just right around $4.50. Also taking a look at Kala, KATLA, we're looking at $6 as a support. I think we'll do for a bounce on this name, though the volume is so low on this name, so look for volume to come in, and then we're gonna be all right. Well, we're also talking about CWBR as well. $2 is our ultimate support for now. If we flush through 190, 195, we're just looking to shake out the long position. Alright, ITRM also a recent reverse split. We're looking at 160 as a support. This trend is a support. If this doesn't hold, then we can flush lower on this name, then we'll be in the bearish side, but I'll be expecting a shake up as well into that low section, just to shake out the weak hands. Also, there's another low float, MSTR right now. We're looking at $300, $307 to come on that name. Sorry, but this is a high price. I just wanted to put that in the mix as well, because it's a low float. TTOO right now, $2 is the area to keep an eye out on as well. APDN, what have you? This is a beauty. Reason why I said it's a beauty is because it's working the 200 moving average area. We couldn't, got rejected at the $3 spot, which correspond with a resistance, and only to pull back down to the 150 area, which also corresponds to another support. So remember, every time a stock push to resistance is rejected, sometimes we shake out the longs and then stock pull back down to support. And also sometimes we fail this support just to shake out some, short position, and then boom, right? So keep an eye out on this as well for the move to the upside from this level. But we need to fight the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving average. So keep an eye out on that as well. Looking at the energy side, Houston American Energy right now, we're failing support. Okay, we tapped this level twice before, and now we're rejecting it. Right now we tap it, and now we're rejecting it to the downside. So keep an eye out as 350 support. Why? Because this area has actually held as a support before, so I'm expecting this area to hold as a support, and then for the move to the upside. If it doesn't, guys, we're looking for $3 on this name, but I expect the energy sector to do some form of good in the coming days. CYTO as well. Right now we're looking at support around $7 if this $8 fail, so keep an eye out on that. Another reverse split name is SONN. Right now we're looking at $1 as our support. This area needs to hold. We're consolidating around this spot for the move to the upside or to the downside, but look at volume. Volume is not there yet with RSI at 28%. NRBO right now, NRBO $8 is gonna act as our support, which correspond with this tangential move. So right now $10 is the next spot to keep an eye out on. AMBP failed support only to double bottom, so keep an eye out. We also did a double top, so we either break to the top upside or we break down, so keep an eye out on that name as well. GNS, what we got, $1.35 right now. We're looking at price holding this area. If it does, then 175 will come in again. AVCT, we're looking at $1.25, like I said a couple of slides ago. Also BVS, this area has acted as a resistance, so we'll be looking at breaking that $8, then we should be all right on that name. MKFG, we're looking at $2.25 for the continuation to the upside. We'll also have DUO. What do we have with DUO? 225 is the area to break that area. We should be good and then continue to push to the upside. Also BULZ, guys, $3, that is the spot. NMTR, also $2.75 break, then $3 will come in easy. Also LASE, guys, $2.50 is support. We can bounce through this area into $3. Then the remaining stock, I'm gonna post it up on my Twitter and on my stock tweet, and I'm gonna analyze it there as well, so keep an eye out on those messages coming up through stock tweet and on Twitter. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and let's go low flows. Bye bye guys, peace.